Hi guys, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog, and today I'm driving this Maruti Suzuki Alto, which looks very clean, simple, designed by Maruti. While this is a sort of a mini hatchback, while many Indians love to buy this car at that time from its launch, and this car has made its debut from its launch to till now. Not much cuts and creases on this car. First, let me open the engine and show you the engine. How is it? Where is it? Where is it? Get lost again and again opening these hoods. This is an engine bay which is quite and compact, which is exposed everywhere. There is a battery, and this is a 3-cylinder engine which is 12 valve return Maruti there, which is a 3-cylinder 800cc engine. Let me close it. This is the washer, which gets a single washer. Coming to headlamps, which is an halogen, and indicators are also halogen. Doesn't get an fog lamp. There are the vents, chrome finish there. You get an logo. Coming to side, which looks very simple, not much designs on this car, not chrome finishes, nothing on this car. You get an blacked out handles. You get an indicator here, and wheels are very small. That is 12-inch wheels, which is not an alloy, it's an steel rim. But whatever, this car was old, gets everything very basic. There is an petrol lid. I guess this is not an CNG, this is an petrol. This comes even in a CNG thing, but not in diesel. Like I said, comes in diesel too, which comes in CNG and petrol, so which is switchable, but not in this car. I guess this is full totally petrol. Rear, coming to rear is also very simple, like sort of halogen bulbs. Doesn't get disc brakes, it gets all a drum. Let me show you the boot. I have to remove the key from here. Let me turn it off. Let me show you the boot. It doesn't get any switches, just you have to open the boot by key. Boot is very light. Yes, this is not an CNG, it's a normal. It doesn't get even a light placement here. Yes, let's open. Where is the spare wheel? Let's check the spare wheel. Spare wheel is also the steel rim, which is also 12-inch. Here the tools. Car is so dirty. Yes, the car is so lightweight that everything is light. Even the doors are light, hood, and sorry for it, and doesn't get any door pockets here. Just you get an holder to hold, and this is to open the doors, and this is a lock at that time. This is not a power window. You can see, where is it? Yes, this is how the window opens. When you open this, definitely you get your hands built. You don't need to go for a gym. Yes, this is a seat which just doesn't get an adjustable headrest. Seat is so comfortable. Under thigh support is poor, it's lacking, but legroom and knee room is average, not too comfortable. Headroom is also average, not too comfortable. Cabin is so small, it's so narrow. Only two people, definitely only two people can sit here comfortably. Not much. You get an handle, no light placement, no hooks, only handles, even no parcel trays and all. Let me get out. Let me get into front. Hinges are so loose that 10 door pockets here, which not even you can keep a bottle here. Yes, you get 10 door holders. Doesn't get power windows, you get manual windows in this. Let's close the door. Door is hanging from that time. You get an AC vent here, which is movable, and you get light leveler. This is for the headlight and even for the indicators, and this is for hazard switch, but it's not working now. In this case, this is for the washer, I mean front wipers. These are the AC vents, stuff to keep here. Glove box is so small, and this is the gear lever, where you can see it's very tall. This is an aftermarket cluster, I mean whatever. You can play CDs or DVDs, something, or FM or something. This is for the AC controls, and these are the dummy buttons. Steering is so small, so light. Coming to instrument cluster, you get nothing in this. Let me turn it on, and this is the key of this. Very basic, like in scooter key. I mean the old scooter keys. Yeah, let me start it. You get an fuel indicator there, and telltale lights here and here. I mean this is the fuel gauge, and this is for the engine temperature. It doesn't get tachometer, you get a speedometer, and this you get an odometer. Let me browse it here. You get trip meters, you get a single trip meter. Let me turn it off. Inside mirror, while it's not adjustable, it's adjustable manually. You get a light placement here, which is very easy to use. And sun blind, it doesn't get any mirrors, not even for the co-passenger or for the passenger. You get a handle there. Obviously you wouldn't get any handles here in any cars, but only in some. This is an handbrake, I mean sorry, you doesn't get any holes or keep bottles. Here you can keep twin bottles. Let's get riding. Let's start the engine. Yes, here it roars to life. Putting on to first gear. Let's go. I mean let's get moving. There are lots of vibrations on the gear lever, on the steering, due to the 3-cylinder engine, which this car is 800cc, producing 45 bhp and 72 Nm of torque. 45 bhp, very huge. I mean for 800cc it's enough, I guess. Let me take right turn. When you have to go slow and steady, I guess this is the car for you. The engine is so loud, just you can barely hear the engine noise. You can't go too fast in this because the car is so lightweight and it doesn't have high speed stabilities. While in cities, this is the better car for you. While the recent one Alto is having many updates, I mean it has the better engine and better stability, minimum a small car. Maruti has done a great job by launching this car with less price, where people afforded it very easily, I mean with less cost. And this was the great selling car at those time, and even now some of these cars on our Indian roads. With the same thought like Maruti has thought at that time by launching this Alto to be affordable for the people who have dreamed to buy small cars, I mean who have dreamed to buy the cars. With same thought, Tata has also launched the Nano, but Nano has not made such a name like this car, where Nano was even got a name, I mean award as a world's cheapest car when it was launched, but does not, I mean but did not do job as like this car.